Directive Number 1. Training Modules for Interstellar Exploration. Module 5. Interstellar Safety and Emergency Response. Module 5 provides essential training to prepare crew members for potential emergencies and safety risks encountered during interstellar missions. This module emphasizes proactive risk mitigation, effective emergency response, and the protection of both the crew and mission objectives. Objectives of Module 5. 1. Risk awareness and prevention. Equip trainees with the ability to identify, assess, and minimize potential risks during interstellar exploration. 2. Emergency preparedness. Train in protocols for responding to emergencies, such as system failures, hostile encounters, and environmental hazards. 3. Life preservation. Develop skills to ensure the safety and survival of all crew members in extreme conditions. 4. Rescue and recovery. Train in effective strategies for search, rescue, and mission recovery in the event of catastrophic failures. Module structure. This module is divided into 4 sections, each focusing on a specific aspect of interstellar safety and emergency response. Section 1. Hazard identification and mitigation. This section trains crew members to proactively identify and address potential hazards during missions. Key topics. Environmental hazards. Understand the risks of alien environments, such as radiation, extreme temperatures, and toxic atmospheres. Use environmental scanners and analyzers to assess planetary conditions. Technical risks. Identify vulnerabilities in propulsion, life support, and communication systems. Implement preventative maintenance to avoid critical failures. Biological risks. Recognize potential threats from alien microorganisms or ecosystems. Learn decontamination protocols and biological quarantine procedures. Human factors. Manage physical and mental fatigue, stress, and interpersonal conflicts that may compromise safety. Section 2. Emergency protocols and procedures. This section focuses on equipping trainees with the skills and knowledge needed to respond effectively to emergencies. Key topics. System failure response. Execute protocols for propulsion shutdowns, power losses, and oxygen depletion. Perform rapid repairs to stabilize systems and prevent further damage. Evacuation procedures. Learn evacuation protocols for spacecraft and planetary surfaces. Train in using escape pods and emergency shelters. Medical emergencies. Administer first aid and advanced medical care in zero-gravity and alien environments. Use medical kits and automated diagnostic tools. Hostile encounters. Train in nonviolent conflict resolution and de-escalation tactics. Operate defensive systems for last resort protection. Section 3. Survival training in extreme conditions. This section prepares trainees to survive in hostile environments with limited resources. Key topics. Resource management. Ration food, water, and energy supplies during emergencies. Utilize local resources, such as water or edible flora, on alien planets. Extreme environment survival. Adapt to environments such as deserts, Arctic landscapes, and high radiation zones. Train in constructing temporary shelters and protective gear. Long-term isolation. Maintain physical and mental health during extended periods of isolation. Use virtual reality tools for psychological support and skill maintenance. Section 4. Rescue and recovery operations. This section focuses on planning and executing rescue and recovery missions to ensure crew and mission success. Key topics. Search and rescue operations. Use tracking technologies to locate missing crew members or spacecraft. Train in operating drones and remote vehicles for search missions. Spacecraft recovery. Plan recovery operations for damaged spacecraft or lost equipment. Assess damage and prioritize repairs to restore functionality. Emergency communication. Maintain contact with mission control and nearby spacecraft during crises. Use beacon systems to signal for assistance. Training methodologies. Module 5 employs immersive and realistic training scenarios to prepare trainees for high-stress and life-threatening situations. 1. Simulated emergencies. Participate in realistic simulations of system failures, environmental hazards, and medical crises. 2. Field exercises. Train in terrestrial environments that replicate the challenges of alien planets, such as deserts, forests, and underwater habitats. 3. Team-based scenarios. Collaborate with crew members to resolve complex emergencies. Practice leadership and decision-making under pressure. 4. Continuous feedback. Receive real-time feedback from instructors and AI systems to improve performance and refine skills. Evaluation and certification. Trainees are evaluated through both theoretical exams and practical exercises. Certification is awarded to those who demonstrate proficiency in hazard identification, emergency protocols, and survival skills. Successfully complete simulated rescue and recovery missions. Exhibit teamwork, leadership, and adaptability under stress. Conclusion. Module 5. Interstellar Safety and Emergency Response ensures that every crew member is prepared to face the unpredictable challenges of interstellar exploration. By mastering these skills, trainees safeguard not only their own lives but also the success of humanity's missions in the cosmos. Dr. Ong Der EDF